Hello and welcome to the new YouTube channel for day 148. This was a Wednesday, the 25th of January 2023. So on this day, on day 148, I had an appointment with the orthodontist. So I went to visit the orthodontist in the morning. And then in the afternoon, I had a meeting to go over two-step drop shipping with Web Scraper app team. Did a little bit of books, and that was it. And then I also did my exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 5-minute jog. So that was pretty much the entirety of my day for Wednesday, the 25th of January, day number 148. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.